Dear students of class 10th, today I am going to teach you the first poem of your English book, Dust of Snow. This poem has been composed by the famous American poet Robert Lee Frost. He is well known for his realistic depictions of rural life. He had good command of American colloquial speech. He took the theme of his poems from the rural life in New England in the early 20th century. Dust of snow refers to the tiny particles of snow. The particles are so small that poet referred to them as dust. The poet was in an awful mood when particles of snow had fallen on him. This changed the poet's frame of mind instantly and his day got a lot better. Dear students, आइए अब हम लोग पोयम का अध्ययन करते हैं. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here the poet points out that he is standing under a hemlock tree and a crow was sitting on that tree, and when he was standing under a tree, that time the poet was in sad mood. When the little particles of snow falls upon his head, this changed the mood of poet, and the day that going to be ruined by this crow, the rest of day became happy. कवि कह रहा है कि वह धतूरे के पेड़ के नीचे खड़ा हुआ है और वह दुखी अवस्था में है. वह किसी के विषय में या किसी के व्यक्तिगत विचारों में वह खोया हुआ है और उस धतूरे के पेड़ के ऊपर एक कौवा बैठा हुआ है और वह कौवा जो धतूरे के वृक्ष पर बर्फ जमी हुई है उसमें से एक छोटा सा कण, बर्फ का कण, कवि के शरीर पर पड़ता है. जैसे ही शरीर पर पड़ता है ठंडी ठंडी बूंदें, तुरंत कवि जो कि ध्यानावस्था में था उसका ध्यान टूट जाता है और जो इस दुखी अवस्था में पूरा दिन बर्बाद होने वाला था इससे बच जाता है, यानी बाकी का दिन अच्छा गुजरता है. यही कविता का अर्थ है और सारांश है. इस पोयम में क्रो, स्नो, मी एंड ट्री, these are rhyming words. Hurt, part, mood and rude, these are also rhyming words in this poem. Okay, this is the poem.